Peeps, we are back with another exciting announcement from Universal Destinations and Experiences. This time about another property coming to Universal Horror Unleashed out in Las Vegas, Nevada.
Universal Horror Unleashed is a brand new immersive experience unlike anything we've done before. We've got 4 incredible haunted houses that put you right in the middle of iconic and terrifying scenes.
In the Texas Chainsaw Massacre house, we're going all the way back to the original film in the 70s. This is going to be a really exciting adventure through that very first Texas Chainsaw house.
The film is brutal itself, so we absolutely wanted to match that intensity that you see in that film. You're going to go into the farmhouse. You're actually going to be pursued by Leatherface in this house.
We're also following it beat for beat all the way through in a linear fashion.
When you get to create an experience like this, you're able to explore areas that you weren't necessarily able to see in the movies. Everything that we're doing scenically should inform the narrative.
From the moment you walk in, you will be transported outside of your reality into the world of Universal Horror.
We're bringing something entirely new to Las Vegas, and it is a year-round destination, and so is our horror brand.
We've been honing our skill set and working on bringing these horror stories to life for many, many years. That's why when you step foot inside this building, you're going to have the most immersive, most horrifying experience of your entire life.
Okay, so we already knew Texas Chainsaw Massacre was coming to Universal Horror Unleashed when it opens this August out in Las Vegas, Nevada, but now we know more about the experiences related to it. One of the most exciting things is that for the first time, we will actually kind of experience the story of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre linearly as part of the haunt experience. So, just like the movie, you'll kind of experience the old man at the gas station giving you the dire warning that you're all going to die. And then eventually you'll meet Leatherface and all the members of the family, as you experience the horror of the original movie in the haunted house. Additionally, the experience will continue in the Kill Vault, which is one of 4 themed immersive areas within Universal Horror Unleashed. Surrounded by rusty knives and machetes, the characters at the Kill Vault will include a strange surgeon, psychotic slashers, and they'll be lurking in the shadows attempting to lure their next victim as they interact with everyone in sight. This area will also feature something called rough cuts, where guests can feast on chainsaw carved small plates as they witness a variety of show moments. So this is fun. It's almost kind of like a dining show experience, and even though not specifically Texas Chainsaw Massacre themed, it'll be kind of this, you'll have characters that you can interact with. You'll be able to feast on Texas Chainsaw Massacre themed dishes. And it's almost kind of like some of the dining experiences that you get at Epic Universe, like in the Dark Universe area of the park, where you go to things like the Burning Blade Tavern or Joss Steakhouse and you interact with characters from the land while enjoying dishes that are themed to the land, except kind of more focused in this area on Texas Chainsaw Massacre, or I guess, it says psychotic slashers and other things. So it's not, I don't think it's all Texas Chainsaw Massacre, but I guess kind of within that slasher genre. Universal Horror Unleashed will be opening on August 14th in Las Vegas, Nevada, and we will be there. Will you be there? When are you planning on going to Universal Horror Unleashed, or are you planning on going to Universal Horror Unleashed? Leave us a comment down below with your thoughts, what you're most looking forward to. Are you excited about Texas Chainsaw Massacre? I am. I will tell you. I'm a big fan of the movies, and I almost love every time that Halloween Horror Nights or Universal Destinations and Experiences does something with that property. It's almost always entertaining, almost always scary. And I think this one sounds like another level up from what we've experienced. So I'm excited about it. So like I said, leave us a comment down below with your thoughts. While you're down there, hit the thumbs up button on this video. It helps us now to know that you want more Universal Horror Unleashed content, and so that we can share it with you when we go. Also, hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell so that you know when we release more of that content. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you next time.